Y'all, here's part 1 of field day. Gotta get up, gotta feed everybody, gotta make sure lunches are packed and thermoses are ready to go.
I checked on Pickett and he's standing up.
Oh, is he ready to come in?
Yeah.
Can you go get his breakfast?
Yes.
Thank you. Since the kids are gonna be running around outside all day, I'm putting some sunscreen on them. Kids always need attention, right? Hi.
Good morning, how can I help you?
May I get a large iced mocha with 5 shots total, no ice and no whipped cream?
And just to clarify, you want us to fill it all the way up with milk, or you want us to leave the room?
Yes, sir. All the way up is fine. Okay, now we're at field day, but let me explain to you what my drink order just was. So I get a large iced mocha and I add extra shots with no ice. I take it home, I put my own ice, and I basically get 2 large drinks out of that. Now, it costs a little bit more than normal, but it's like $8, and I get 2 large drinks. I don't drink them both in the same day, though. Anyway, back to field day. Field day was over, so we went to our favorite restaurant here. Homemade Italian food, and it is so good. And y'all, do we ever do a video where we don't end up at Target at some point? Okay, let me just show off my sweet baby boy. And then we head over to pick up some more raviolis. Those are so good. And then we go pick up the girls from school. Hi, Coco. Hi, Yaya. Hi. And now we're going to end part 1 because it's actually only 12:30 in the afternoon and we still had a long day ahead of us. So follow for part 2 and 3.